If you're using Manychat to automate your messenger conversations, adding a smart delay can make your bot feel more natural and help you control the timing of your messages. Whether you want to pause before sending a follow-up or time your replies based on business hours, smart delays are a simple but powerful tool. Let me show you how to set one up in just a few steps. First, go to your account and then just click on Automations here at the bottom. At the left side. Okay? Now from here, you just need to open up one of your automations. So let's say I'm going to open this one. This is my automation. And then let's say my automation is when a user sends me a message through Messenger, my chat would reply, "Do you need help?" And if they say yes, then my AI would tend to the customer. And if they say no, they can just click no and the AI would just terminate the chat. So let's say we want to delay this, add a delay to the reply of our bot. I'm going to delete the connection here, and then you just need to click on the plus icon here, and then just click on Smart Delay. Okay? Now from here, you just need to add the duration of the delay. Delay duration. So just click on this one and select whether the duration is seconds, minutes, hours, or days. So let's just say I want to delay it for minutes, and then I'll delay it for 30 minutes. Okay? And then you can also set this to continue every day. So let's say I'm going to continue this between 8 to 5 p.m. And then any day, you can just choose any day as well if you want. I'll just use every day. So next is you just need to connect your bot, this one here, to this smart delay. Then select the smart delay to this one. So every time a user sends a message, it would delay and then it would cause a delay before sending a message to them. Okay? So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.